Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on subtitles on Disney Plus. Now the first thing you should do is simply go and open Disney Plus on your phone, on your PC, or even on your TV. Once you open it, here you will find on the top right side this menu icon. When you hover over it, it will tell you that this is the settings. When you click on it, you can simply choose the audio of this movie or this series or the subtitles. But here, as you can see, I have the subtitles turned off. Now we should go and choose any one of these languages in order to turn on the subtitles. So here in my case, I will choose English, for example, and after that you should hover over this button right here, or simply use your mobile phone or the remote control if you are using the TV. Click on the menu button or the exit button in order to go back, and you will watch the movie with the subtitles. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.